welcome back to your girl's channel. I'm going to show you guys how I got this low ponytail braid with braiding hair. So I'm starting off with, I'm so cute. I'm starting off with some Marua 18-inch hair. This is in this shade, I believe 1B and something. I'll leave everything in the description box below. But it is short. I didn't want a long braid. I wanted something as natural as possible, as quick as possible. So yeah, I'm just sectioning my hair off in 3 parts. Obviously make sure you have a middle part and then you work from there. I am smoothing out my hair with a rat tail comb because, ladies, it's never sleek enough. And that's on period. Next, I'm taking some edge booster. This is going to be my waxy wax. And I'm going to use this waxy wax product to actually try to tame down any frizz, any lumps, bumps, and unnecessary things that are poking through. And I'm applying an extra layer to the back. Like I said, it's never sleek enough, at least in my head. And then when it's too sleek, you got a headache. That means you did it way too tight. Way too tight. Anyways, I am once again going over my hair with my rat tail comb. And look at, first of all, let's just camel moment. Like, look at the health of my hair. Anyways, back to the video, and smoothing it out with my rat tail comb. And I am using all of God-given muscle strength that I have to really make sure it just nice, tight, and right. Okay. Now next, I'm obviously going to start working up at the top using the waxy from Edge Booster, and I'm just really smoothing her down. I believe I had my Silkpress going for like 2 weeks, and I just was like, okay, these ends are starting to tell me, girl, I'm about to go back curly, so you better figure it out. Which is what I did. I haven't did an updated low ponytail braid since 2015, so I figured, wow, it definitely has been time overdue. And honestly, like, this ponytail technique that I'm actually going to be using, showing you guys, is really easy. It's really not that difficult. So now that you have the foundation nice laid right and tight, you're just going to prep your arms. Yes, shake out any tension you got, because honey, you're gonna get it again. Okay, I don't know how many times I took out that ponytail to make sure that all the lumps were gone. Anyways, I did take pictures on my Instagram, so don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, Stylesbymichal. Make sure that you hold that ponytail, like that piece of hair you have in your hand and that hair tie, consistently still. Okay, like, it ain't nothing worse than a moving ponytail, literally. Like, why is it crooked? We don't want crooked, we want in the middle. Next, take your rat tail comb and just go over your ears just to make sure there's no hair trying to not get in with the crowd, because sometimes, you know, they just be having them on their own. Take that brush, whatever brush or tool you have that can smooth down anything from the actual edge waxy wax booster that is just not blending in. Now I'm taking my Gotta Be. My Gotta Be never fails me, even though she never sometimes come on the scene as often as the others, but she never fails me. And I'm just doing my edges. I can't do it like some of the ladies do it with the swirls and twirls, but I do what I do, and she definitely always comes out cute. So do what you can. Do what you can. So now I'm taking out that ponytail because we already played with a few things in the front, and I'm pretty sure I had some hair sticking out. So once again, like I said, you're going to really need some arm straight. I don't know why when it comes to straightening our hair and we want like a sleek ponytail, how it's way more work than it is with curly hair. Like curly hair, you know, it's going way back up. So you just try to make sure the edges and there's no bumps or lumps in it. But you know, when it comes to straightening our hair and we trying to get that sleek, like, why is it so much work? I don't know about y'all, but I do like to use oil on my hair often. And I'm just using some rosehip oil, my fave. I love this oil. And I'm just applying it to my hair. Now onto the good part. Now you're just going to take a bundle of hair and you're just going to comb it out and you're just going to place it on your hair like this. And you're going to see what I'm going to do with this. So make sure you have it placed on your hair like this. I'm going to turn around for you guys so you see what I'm doing. It's not the blind leading the blind. We can see, right? And now that we see that, we're just going to take our hair tie, right? Make sure you hold everything firmly, okay? Because I know sometimes, you know, you can struggle with trying to not move that hair tie and the hair as well as the extra hair. So make sure you're just kind of like, you know, wrapping it. That's it. And I'm going to show you the magic right after this. So right after I complete this last loop, I'm just going to throw over the rest of that hair, and you see how it just magically covers everything. Take your Gotta Be, and I'm taking it back old school with some spritz because I ain't got no Gotta Be spray. I'm using what I got. And I take some gel, place it on a piece of hair that I'm going to use to wrap around that ponytail just to give it more of a natural look. You know what I'm saying? Back in the days, that's how we used to do it with pins. But, you know, we moved on up. We always evolve. And now we use gel and hairspray. And you just wrapping it just to make sure it's neat. Also, it helps that you have a mirror in front of you, on the side of you. I usually have two, one where I'm seeing what I'm doing while I'm also showing you guys in the camera view, and another that is smaller so that if I do hiccup on something that doesn't look right to me, I can check it in the mirror and actually take it because it's small enough and just make sure that everything is looking nice, pretty, natural, and neat. I'm very, very particular and very, very funny about my hairstyles. Like, it has to look good. So as you can see, I did not notice that some of the hair was getting caught inside the end of that last piece. But what you want to do with the last piece is to make sure you smooth it out, spray some spritz spray because the spritz is very tacky, and just continue to wrap it. Including that Gotta Be is also going to keep it holding. So I'm going to fix that. There we go. We fixed it. Like I said, that's why a mirror comes in handy. I'm showing you guys the oopses as well as the perfected parts. I mean, it just helps make for a very authentic and genuine video, don't you think? Now we're going to start braiding. Obviously, make sure you part it in 3 equal parts. Make sure they're all kind of like the same thickness. And you're just going to start to braid. And then you're going to also start adding your hair. Now, I'm not going to get into how I add my hair. That will be another video for another day. Everyone have their own technique on how to add and feed in actual braiding hair. So if you guys do want a video on that, why don't you guys just drop some comments in the comment box below if you guys would actually like to learn. I do not mind posting videos that will actually teach you how to feed in braids if you guys want to learn. If you do, like I said, drop it in the comment box below. I only use 2 pieces of hair with adding to that braid. I did not want a really long braid. It was only 18 inches anyways, which means that I would have to continue adding. So I just said, let me just stick with something very natural looking. And honestly, I liked the length and I liked how cute and natural it was, honestly. I wish I could have had some hair accessories to add to it. I did have an idea in mind on how I wanted to spice it up. But your girl didn't have no money in the account. So I had to do what I had to do and just said, screw it. I'm just going to keep it simple. You know, we like simple, don't we? We like simple. Look at Tadia. Look at Tadia. Don't she look cute? She look good. She look good. She look good. Y'all like it? Give me a big thumbs up if y'all like that braid. Now I'm going to take some mousse. I don't know why I do this, but every braiding style I do, I have to add mousse. It just tames the flyaways, the frizz, and it just, I don't know, it just gives me, obviously, the idea of, oh, very professional. I'm going to take some oil sheen, spray it on my braid because she be looking a little dull. And then I just kind of place this on top of the braid just right at the beginning just to make sure she's nice, smooth, and neat. And here are the finished results. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she one? Okay, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!